Why do you need forklift training? Forklift operators help to make the stocking process for a company more efficient by helping the company move goods from one area to another. Familiarizing yourself with the warehouse's stocking procedures can help you successfully stock inventory for a company. Forklifts are used to load and unload stock from trucks is an essential skill for a forklift operator. This process can include identifying potential hazards like loose loads, centering the weight of a forklift load as much as possible, and remaining aware of the maximum load weight the forklift can handle. This training program teaches how to operate a forklift, counterbalance lift truck, safely. The person will be able to conduct pre- and post-inspections, handle the loading and storage of freight by using forklift attachments in the required manner. Our OSHA forklift training program includes 20% theory and video lessons and 80% practical training. For booking and training, call us, WhatsApp, +27 731 582,436. Email us, millenniaoperators@yahoo.com. Office line, 011-824-1189. Cell,